Stay tuned to see how I DIY'd this light chandelier. This embroidery loop is going to be our base for our chandelier. I'm only going to use the inside of it. You're going to use this plastic canvas yarn, and these are going to create your individual rows of the hanging beads. Now, you can add as many rows of the beads as you want. You can add to make it look full. You can add a few to make it look sparse, and then you can add different types of jewels. The customization is completely up to you. I ended up running out of beads, so mine looks a little sparse, but luckily I can take it back down a little bit later once I get more beads and add to it if I want. Once I got all of my strings tied to the embroidery hoop, I was starting the process of threading the string through each individual wooden bead. And I started this process by trying to utilize a paper clip that I just went ahead and unfolded. This process did not really work. Just to be completely honest with you, the thread would slip off. It would not go. See, this is what I'm talking about. So, the process that I ended up using instead was, throw that to the side. I used washi tape to wrap around the end of the thread, and that allowed me to bead so much easier. See, they just slide on. Now you can use regular tape, but washi tape was all I had on hand, and it worked great. So you'll continue to thread and add your beads to your strings until you have as many as you want. Once you get done adding the number of beads to each string, you'll simply tie off the end. Make sure that you tie a knot big enough that the beads won't end up slipping over, so you don't end up having all of your beads fall off of your string. Now you guys know me, I could not resist adding a little bit of bling, so I am going to hot glue a strip of diamond wrap all around the outside of the chandelier. A little goes a long way, and it adds a really nice touch to it. Once you get done adding your diamond wrap, you'll use these cup hooks, screw them into the ceiling, and here is the finished DIY light chandelier. The cup hooks make it really easy to hang. You simply screw them directly into the wall and then place the chandelier into the hooks, as you see there. You can always place your chandelier up to the wall and mark off the different areas. See, it fits in perfectly. And look at how the little diamond wrap works. The beads are really nice, adds a really cute boho feel to your closet. I really like how it came out. What do you guys think? Thank you for joining me for another video this week. Again, I am sorry that this video is as well late. Things have just been going on that have prevented me from getting these videos out on time. But I am working on it, you guys. I promise. I do hope you enjoyed this video this week. Leave me a comment down below whether you would use beads or jewels, or what you would use to create your chandelier. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with a friend, and leave me a heart emoji down in the comment section. I want to see who made it all the way to the end of the video. Well, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.